In this video we are talking about if MATIC can continue the bullish explosion to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. Right now we are in this range between these two very interesting areas. On the one hand we have this supply zone right here where we always saw bearish rejection, and we moved out of this demand zone right here where we saw bullish reactions. And right now we saw support from this demand zone, and in the last video we were at this supply zone right here. And I said the chances high because of this wicks that we see a small retracement, but then I said the chances higher that we can continue the bullish momentum, especially if we're breaking this last high to the upside. I will show you now the clip from the last video. So I think that we are long-term bullish for MATIC because we saw this price action also right here and this bullish move to the upside. But right now with this price action, I think the chances are that we are seeing a move to lower levels. And if we go to lower levels and we see like a bullish consolidation, I think then the chance is very high that we are going then to the upside. But if we are breaking this last high right here with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is very high that we are exploding to the upside. And as you can see, we saw this bullish momentum to the upside. We broke this last high and then we saw this explosion to the upside. From this zone to the top we saw a move about 47%. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on MATIC. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like MATIC, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And as you can see, we saw this bullish explosion. We took out the last high right here which caused this move. Then we came into this supply zone. We also saw a higher high with this wick right here. And as I'm always saying, if you see this wicks right here and you don't see a body close over the supply zone, then the chance is very high that we can see a liquidity grab right here and see a move into the opposite direction. And as you can see, we saw this bearish move from the supply zone, but after this rejection, we are also seeing this bullish move again to the upside. And right now we also saw rejection after we came twice into the supply zone, but I think the chance is higher that we can continue to the upside because we saw this bullish momentum and also see higher highs and higher lows all the way. So right now the chance is there that we directly see a move to higher prices, especially if we're breaking this last highs to the upside. And if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we can see an explosion for MATIC. And the most important is that we are don't breaking this lows right here. Because if we are breaking this lows to the downside with a body close, then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. But as long as we don't break this line right here, then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame right here. And if we see a bullish signal on the smaller time frame, I would search for long entries and then hodl it into the next highs. But if anything interesting happens for MATIC, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on MATIC. So all in all, we saw this crazy explosion to the upside. And congrats again to everybody who took a trade here on MATIC. And after this explosion, we came into this supply zone, took out the last highs with this wick, but then saw the bearish reaction. But I still think that the chance is higher that we can continue the bullish momentum to the upside, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside. So right now I would search for long entries right here. But if we are breaking this level to the downside with a body close, then I think the chance is high that we can see a bigger retracement to the downside. But as long as we don't break this level, I think the chance is high that we can continue to the upside. And if we are first breaking this level to the upside, and especially this last highs, then I think the chance is high that we can see an explosion and break this supply zone to the upside. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.